Welcome, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the revolutionary realm of artificial intelligence as Google unveils its latest marvel, the Gemini AI model. Imagine a world where machines comprehend and reason like humans. Well, that's precisely what Gemini promises to deliver. From problem-solving prowess to its potential impact across industries, let's embark on a journey to unravel the genius behind Google's Gemini AI. On December 6, 2023, Google thrust the world of artificial intelligence into the future with the grand unveiling of its latest masterpiece. This groundbreaking leap promises to shake the very foundations of the AI landscape, posing a formidable challenge to the reigning champion, OpenAI's GPT-4. Let's dive into the fascinating details that make Gemini a force to be reckoned with, capabilities beyond imagination. 1. Outperforming benchmarks. Gemini Ultra, the Apex variant, doesn't just set the bar, it catapults over it. Outclassing existing benchmarks, Gemini achieves unprecedented success on 30 out of 32 widely recognized academic benchmarks in the realm of large language model research. It's not just a contender, it's a champion. 2. Multimodal Mastery. Gemini's brilliance isn't confined to text alone. Picture this. It processes natural language, deciphers images, decodes audio, and dissects video. This multimodal understanding propels Gemini into a league of its own, empowering it to tackle intricate tasks that demand a synthesis of various inputs. 3. Code generation revolution. Hold your coding hats tight. Gemini introduces AlphaCode 2, a coding juggernaut that outshines 85% of coding competition participants, an extraordinary leap from the original AlphaCode's 50% success rate. This revolutionary system catapults Gemini to the forefront of superior code generation. 4. Enhanced grounding and awareness. Google doesn't just want Gemini to understand, it wants it to feel. The pursuit of superior grounding and awareness means Gemini is evolving to interact with the real world on a profound level. It's not just about processing information, it's about understanding and navigating the complexities of our reality, unlocking boundless potential. As we marvel at the capabilities of Google's Gemini AI model, the real magic lies in its potential applications. Brace yourselves, because Gemini is not just a model, it's a catalyst for transformative change across various domains. Number 1. Coding assistance. Imagine a world where coding becomes a collaborative dance between humans and machines. Gemini's prowess in code generation isn't just about efficiency, it's about revolutionizing software development. By automating repetitive tasks and offering a guiding hand through complex challenges, Gemini could redefine how we write code. Number 2. Creative content creation. From poetry to scripts, musical compositions to heartfelt letters, Gemini is not just a code wizard, it's a creative genius. The ability to generate diverse forms of content opens up new avenues for artistic expression. The lines between man and machine blur as Gemini becomes a muse for the digital age. Number 3. Education and research acceleration. Gemini's voracious appetite for information means it's not just a learner, it's a knowledge accelerator. In education, it could enhance learning experiences by tailoring content to individual needs. In research, its ability to process diverse sources could expedite scientific breakthroughs. 5. Accessibility and communication. Breaking down language barriers and personalizing communication. Gemini is the bridge to a more accessible world. By translating languages and adapting communication styles, it becomes a tool for inclusivity, making information and interaction universally available, navigating the challenges and shaping the future. Bias and ethical concerns. With great power comes great responsibility. Gemini, as a powerful AI, must navigate the minefield of bias and ethical considerations. Ensuring fair and unbiased outcomes in its applications is paramount for responsible development and use. Transparency and explainability. The inner workings of Gemini may be complex, but transparency is key. Google needs to lift the veil, providing a clearer understanding of how Gemini operates and making its decision-making processes more accessible to the public. Accessibility and distribution. Gemini's impact should not be confined to the elite. Broad accessibility is crucial to prevent the concentration of power. Ensuring that Gemini's capabilities reach diverse corners of the globe will be pivotal for maximizing its positive influence. Google's Gemini is not your run-of-the-mill AI model. It's a powerhouse designed to process text, images, and audio seamlessly. The pinnacle of this technological symphony is Gemini Pro, a version claiming to outsmart even the mighty OpenAI's GPT-4, the very backbone of ChatGPT. Unlocking the gates, accessing Gemini Pro. For those eager to dive into the world of Gemini, there's good news. The basic iteration, Gemini Pro, is now accessible to the public through Google's AI chatbot, Bard. It's not just a peek into the future, it's an invitation to explore the capabilities of this technological marvel. A clash of titans. Gemini Pro versus ChatGPT. Business Insider, ever the scrutineer, pitted Gemini Pro against ChatGPT in a head-to-head battle. The arena, 10 questions ranging from image identification to creative tasks. The results? Brace yourselves. It's a fascinating showdown. The showdown. Key findings unveiled. Image identification. ChatGPT, the seasoned contender, offered a detailed description and intriguing theories about the image at hand. However, the twist: it couldn't definitively determine if the image was AI generated. On the other side of the ring, Gemini correctly identified the AI-generated image. However, its Achilles heel surfaced as it made inaccurate observations about the image's content. The verdict: a glimpse into Gemini's potential. As the dust settles, we catch a glimpse of Gemini's potential. It's not just a model, it's a work in progress. The clash with ChatGPT reveals strengths and areas for improvement, igniting the flames of anticipation for what's to come. And there you have it, tech enthusiasts. We've unraveled the mysteries of Google's Gemini AI model, from its incredible multimodal capabilities to the intense showdown with ChatGPT. The future is unfolding before our eyes, and Gemini is at the forefront of this technological evolution. As we conclude this exploration, remember to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Are you Team Gemini, or do you think ChatGPT still holds the crown? We want to hear from you. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of AI, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts, and hit that subscribe button. For daily AI news and updates, visit our website aisurge.net. This is AI Surge, signing off. Until next time.